Introduction to the muscular system. We have three kinds of muscles in the human body. We have skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. These are the three kinds of muscles in the human body. They are characterized, on the basis of whether they are associated with the body wall or are they associated with the organs of the body. If they're associated with the body wall, that is somatic. Or are they associated with the body organs? If they are associated with the body organs, we call them visceral and somatic. The second basis is if they are voluntary or involuntary muscles. The third basis of characterization is if they are smooth or striated. When we say striated, it means if they have stripes on them. We move on to the first category, that is skeletal muscles. These muscles, they form majority of muscle tissue in the body. They form majority of muscle tissue. Now these muscles, they are parallel bundles of multinucleated fibers. These muscles are parallel bundles of multinucleated fibers with transverse stripes in them. These muscles are parallel bundle of multinucleated fibers with transverse stripes in them. They give form to the body and also support the body. They are innervated by somatic and branchial motor nerves. These individual skeletal muscles are named on the basis of their shape, when we name them on the basis of their shape, we can give an example of rhomboid major. This muscle has the name on the basis of its shape and on the basis of its position. We have palmar interosseous muscle, that on the basis of its attachment to the body, on the basis of attachment, we have sternohyoid, and on the basis of function, we have flexor pollicis longus. The rhomboid major is a muscle of the back. Palmar interosseous muscle is a muscle of the palmar region in the palms, and sternohyoid is a muscle in the neck. The flexor pollicis longus is a muscle of the forearm. The detailed description of these muscles will be described in the later videos. If we move on to the second category of the muscles, that is the cardiac muscle. Now this muscle is found only in myocardium, that is heart. The cardiac muscle is only found in the heart. These muscles are a branching network of individual cells that are linked together electrically and mechanically. These muscles are resistant to fatigue. They are resistant to fatigue. The cardiac muscles, they are striated. These are the stripes in the cardiac muscle. They are innervated by visceral motor nerves. The cardiac muscle is innervated by visceral motor nerves. These muscles, they show less powerful contractions compared to those of the skeletal muscles. The third category of muscles is smooth muscles. These muscles are spindle shaped and are non-striated. The smooth muscles are non-striated. They show slow and sustained contractions. The smooth muscles are found in the walls of blood vessels. They are associated with hair follicles in the skin. Can also be found in the eyeball and are associated with respiratory or urogenital systems of the body. They are innervated by visceral motor nerves. Innervated by visceral motor nerves. These were the three types of muscles in the human body.